and welcome to HotStone Media. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the engine oil and oil filter on a Mazda 2. The first thing to do would be to jack up the vehicle and place an axle stand for safety. After that, when you go under the vehicle, you should be able to see the oil sump and the oil filter. After that, you will need a 19mm socket and a ratchet in order to open the sump bolt. After that, you can remove the oil filter using an oil filter wrench. After you have removed the old oil filter, you should clean the area using a cloth. And before installing the new oil filter, you should lubricate the rubber seal. You should tighten the new oil filter by hand. After that, once all the engine oil has come out, you can put the sump bolt back. Then you can remove the axle stand and jack the vehicle down. And finally, you can put the engine oil in and you should be all done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. I will need as much subscribers as possible in order to continue. Thank you for watching my videos.